Does anyone out there like cats? Are there any cat lovers? Can I hear your meows? Yes, okay. So you'll know when to meow, and I'm gonna need your help. Your biggest and loudest meows. Where my cats at?
Meow.
Where my cats at? Where my cats at? Meow. Where my cats at? Meow. Well, I'm gonna start this rhyme off right. Meow. This cat is a genius, a major league kind meow. I'll follow you around. I'll rub against your leg, but only with consent. You'll never see me beg unless you got some of that sweet catnip. It's like L to his cat. Now I'm gonna trip. I'm lying on my back and I'm showing him my belly. When this song's over, going straight to cat's belly. The matzo ball soup makes me roar like a lion. I'll soak the whole bowl up without even trying. Now I'm so excited, I'm chasing my own tail, forgetting to breathe. Now I inhale and exhale, going back to plotting how I'll rule the world. Meow so loud you'll become unfurled. Please change my kitty litter, cause it's really sticky. Do it now or I'll piss on your cheeky. Cats are sneaky assholes, we can all agree on. We have 9 lives, it's a welcome phenomenon. My middle name is Captain, I'm a sassy feline. Everything's happening, it's so divine. Uplift, out and high on that nib. Meow real loud, let her rip. Where my cat's at? Meow. Where my cat's at? Meow. Where my cat's at? Meow. Where my cat's at? Meow.
Strutting down the alley like it ain't no thing, man. Fuck yeah, we done it. They call me the Tiger King. To all the lady cats, yeah, I'll make your heart sing. You got access. Heavy bourbon, with my straight back strut. I'm a ladies' man. I'm a lone wolf. I don't need no clan. Man, this world shit straight hits the fan. Get my dinner from a garbage can. Yeah, I said that I go straight through the joint on the cats, raccoons, even skunks. You better back off. This is my alley, punk. Don't you come around here, man? You must be drunk. Come around here, I start swiping with my paws. Got adamantium young, straight Wolverine claws. Also laid a cat. You ready to draw? I'm the baddest tomcat you ever done saw. Where my cat's at?
Meow.
Where my cat's at?
Meow.
Where my lady cat's at?
Meow.
Where my cat's at?
Meow. Well, I think y'all are the cat's pajamas, but what the fork are the cat's pajamas? When they're alone, they wear pajamas with cats printed on their pajamas. Or maybe they have humans on the pajamas, the dogs, the mice, or maybe even llamas. Like you have to always in pajamas, prancing to the party still in pajamas. But it's too late to still be in pajamas. But I don't care, cause I don't like dramas. Let's adopt kittens and become their mamas and buy them matching tiny pajamas. Hop on a plane and move to the Bahamas. Me, you and you, and our cats in pajamas. That would be the cat's 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 pajamas. Where my cat's at? Where my cat's at? Meow. 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 Where my cat's at? You are all the cat's pajamas. Thank you so much, and Mama Kay, the